Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We have new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. Now I'm going to scroll through, I'm going to show you what I'm clipping to my account. I'm going to tell you the really good coupon matchups. We have a couple of glitches to go over, and we do have a few coupons that you might want to just be aware of, because you may have higher value coupons or lower value coupons on your account. And just a quick Dollar General couponing tip if you're new to couponing at Dollar General. I always sign in through the website to clip my coupons on Sunday because they all show up at once, versus if you sign into the app, usually on Sunday, there's so many new coupons that you keep having to refresh, and you may end up clipping a lower value coupon and then getting a higher value coupon after you've refreshed the page. So if you want to try that, that may make it a little bit easier for you. And then also on the website, you can put them in different orders too. They have recommended, expiring soon, latest coupons, value, high to low, and then A to Z and Z to A. So that may help a few of you guys out when you're clipping your coupons. So we're going to go ahead right here. We have our 5 off 25. We received a 2 off 1 for the Bic razors. Now this is working on a couple of different ones. So you can pick up the Bic Silky Touch 12 count or the Bic Sensitive Single Blade 12 count. Those are priced at $2.85. So after the coupon, you'll pay just 85 cents. So that's a great filler item for Saturday. Or you can pick up the Bic Twin Blade Twin Count or the Bic Silky Touch Twin Blade 10 count. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you'll pay just $1. Moving on down, we're going to clip those to our accounts. Here is our first one for the Act mouthwash. We do have a higher value coupon of $1.50 off 1. So I'm going to hold off on clipping that one for now. If you still have that $1.50 off 1 coupon on your account, I would definitely not clip this one off 1, because usually the lower value coupons come off first. Next up, we have a 5 off 2 for the Poise. So this is working on the ones that are priced at $5.50. So picking up 2 is going to put you at $11. After the coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $6 for 2, making those $3 each. So that's a really good deal. We have a 5 off 2 for the Depends. 1 off 1 for the Nivea body wash. Those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3. $1.50 off 1 Biotine. That is priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.25. We have 2 off 1 for the Colgate Optic White. That's priced at $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3. Then we have Energizer, 50 cents off 1. Now, we do have some other 50 cent off 1 coupons. Now, this is working on the 4-pack of AA or AAA batteries. They're priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4. But this is also working on the, I think it's a 12-pack or a 16-pack that's priced about $12. And we do have a high value 3 off 1 coupon for that. So if you plan on picking up the larger pack of batteries, I would leave this coupon alone. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Colgate Minions Battery Power Toothbrush, the Colgate Minions Toothpaste, or the 2-pack. It's a toothbrush and a toothpaste. The coupon isn't working on the Colgate toothpaste by itself. That is priced at $3, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2. That may be one of the coupons that we have to scan in store to see if it will actually attach. But just from home, this one is working on the little 2-pack of a toothbrush and a toothpaste. It's priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4. Next up, we have $1.50 off 1 CoverGirl product. Now, I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now because we do usually get higher value coupons for CoverGirl, and I haven't picked up my newspapers yet today. I'm going to do that as soon as I get this video beginning to upload. So I'm going to hold off on clipping that one for now. Then we have 1 off 1 for the True Living trash bags. Here's a really good coupon. I always tell you guys, always go ahead and clip your DG store coupons because those can always stack with your manufacturer coupons, whether that be a digital manufacturer coupon, a printable manufacturer coupon, or an insert manufacturer coupon. But here we have 2 off 1 for the Maybelline New York Eye or Face product. This is working on the 2-pack of Maybelline eye pencils. They're priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you'll pay $1.25, so it's a really good deal. Then we have Garnier Hair Color. Next up, we have another really good coupon. We have $2 off 1 for the Purex packs, the 15 count. They're priced at $3, so after the coupon, you'll pay just $1. And we still have that instant savings on Purex All and Snuggle. It's save $3 when you spend $15. So we're going to try to come up with an instant savings deal with these awesome coupons. Next up, buy 3, get 1 free for the Powerade. You'll end up paying $2.55 for 4. 4 off 1 for the Flonase Clairol Hair Color. We have 2 off 1 for the Airwick refills. Now we do have a lower value coupon that may already be clipped to your account. We have a $1.50 off 1. So just be aware of that when you are coming up with your scenarios. If you want to include this coupon, you may need to wait until that $1.50 off 1 does expire or use that one first. But this one is the higher value coupon. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay $3. Then we have our 1 off 1 extra laundry detergent, Icy Hot Unisom. Here's a really good coupon for this week. We have buy 1, get 1 free on the Airwick Twin refills. Now again, you may have a lower value coupon on this one. Let me check my notes here. We also have a $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick 2-pack refills. So that one may come off first at the register. You may just want to be really careful about that. But go ahead and clip this buy 1, get 1 because it doesn't expire until the 21st. So you do have a little bit of time to use it. These are priced at $5 each, so you'll pay $5 for 2. Next up, Nivea. So the Nivea chapsticks are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you'll pay $1.50. But they are on sale this week. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you can pick up 2. That's going to put you at $3. Use the 50% off coupon, and you'll pay $2.50 for 2. Well, if it'll let me clip it. Alright, moving on, we have 1 off 1 for the All Free and Clear Liquid Laundry Detergent 88 ounce. These are priced at $7, so after the coupon you'll pay $6, but you may still have a higher value $1.25 off 1 digital coupon on your account. That'll leave you paying $5.75, so just check your accounts before you clip this one as well. Next up, another really good deal. We have 2 off 2 for the Purell hand sanitizer. So this is also on sale this week. You're going to buy 1 of the 8-ounce Purells. Let me check my notes here. Kind of got out of order. Yeah, 1 of the 8-ounce Purell hand sanitizers. Pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $6. They are $3 each. And you're going to get a 1-ounce Purell hand sanitizer for free. So you'll end up paying $4 for all 4, making those just $1 each. And we also have a lower value 1 off 1 coupon, and that'll kind of work out to be the same. You'll pay $1 each. Next up, we have a little glitch. I'm considering it a glitch because this is supposed to be buy 1 Studio Selection body wash and get 1 for 50% off. Now, they do have several different ones that you can choose from, different prices. The body washes start out at $3, so if you buy 1, get 1 50% off, you'll pay $4.50 for 2, making those $2.25 each. And they also have some that are priced at $4, so you'll pay $6 for 2, making those $3 each. But this is glitching on the Studio Selection body wipes. 20 count. There's different scents that you can choose from, but you'll pick up 1 at $3.50. The second one will be $1.75, so you'll pay $5.25 for 2. So it is a glitch. Alright, moving on. We have 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. So these are priced at, we have several different products that this one is working on. We have the liquid laundry detergent, the dryer sheets, or the scent boosters. Those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. It's a pretty good deal there. We have 50 cents off of the Suavitel. Those are priced at $7, so this isn't a really great deal, especially because we do get instant savings that roll around every once in a while on Suavitel. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it just in case we get an instant savings deal, but I doubt it. That one does. Yeah, that one expires at the end of the week, so not a really great deal there. This next one, we have a higher value coupon of 1 off 1 for the Sparkle paper towels, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent or the all free and clear Mighty Packs 39 count. Those are both priced at $8, so after the coupon you'll pay $5. And again, we do have that instant savings of spend $15. You'll save $3 at the register. Alright, moving on down. Here's another really good DG store coupon. We have save $2 when you buy 2 Caress products. So if you want to pick up 2 of the bar soaps, 3 count, they're priced at $2.75 each. That'll put you at $5.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50 for 2 of the 3 packs. So that is a pretty good deal on bar soap. 50 cents off one for the Lipton iced tea. This is a really good kind of a filler item. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon you'll pay $1.50. Here's a $1.50 off any one Airwick Freshmatic refill or the Essential Mist products. So if you don't plan on picking up the Freshmatic refills, you really don't have to worry about it. They're both priced at $5. And after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. But again, we do have that higher value 2 off 1 for the Airwick Freshmatic refills. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this one to my account. Moving on down, here's a couple more DG store coupons. There's that 1 off 1 for the Purell hand sanitizer. Again, that's on sale by 1, and you'll get a 1 ounce Purell for free. So it works out to be $1 each as well. Pay $2 and get 2 of the Purells. Alright, moving on. We have 75 cents off of the Ajax. This is on the larger 90 ounce only. So those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4.20. Alright, couple more coupons. Here's a pretty good deal if you kind of need some bath tissue. We have the DG store brand True Living Bath Tissue 1000 sheets or the 4 mega rolls. With this coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2 packs, and those are normally $3 each. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 1 for the Febreze air care products. Now you can pick up the ones, there's several ones that are working with this. They're priced at $3, so after the coupon you'll pay $2. This is also working on the Febreze Unstoppables. They're priced at $4, so after the coupon you'll pay $3. You may still have the buy one get one free coupons on your account for the Febreze like small spaces. So you may want to hold off on clipping this one, and I'm pretty sure we're going to get the new P&G inserts. They'll come out everywhere on Sunday, but I get mine a little bit earlier because it comes in our local newspaper. So hopefully we'll get those this week. So I'm going to hold off on clipping that one. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. So this includes the liquid fabric softener, the Unstoppables. There's several different products that you can pick up at $4.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. Those are also on sale this week, 2 for $8. But this coupon is also glitching and working with the 34 ounce Downy. It's priced at $2.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay just 95 cents. So that's a great deal, great filler item, and it's going to be great to add in with our P&G spin deals. Now, I do want to say I'm still getting mixed reviews. For some people, it's working out fine. For others, not so much. So, I don't know. We're going to try it and see. Hopefully, when I get the new P&G insert, I'll have a little bit of more wiggle room, a little bit better coupons. So, we'll see about that. But, great glitch. Great to throw in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, even if you're not doing this spend deals. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 1 for the Downy. Now, these products are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $6.95. Now, here's the second part to the P&G spin deals. I have heard that the $5 coupon will only work on one product. So you have to find a product that is $5 or more in order for that coupon to work, or you won't get the entire value. Now, that's just what I've been told. Again, I have not tried these deals out myself in the store. I am going to this week, though. But that would be a great item to pick up, because you would just end up paying $1.95 after both of those coupons are applied. Alright, moving on. We have Pampers Diapers. The bags are on sale this week, 2 for $18. So after the coupon, you'll pay $15 for 2. Next up, we have 1 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products. So the Mr. Clean 3-count original magic erasers are on sale this week, 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4 for 2. Now this coupon is also working on the multi surface cleaner. Those are priced at $3 each. So after the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2. And just want to make a quick note here. This one is not working with the Gain 5 off 30. So just in case you guys were wondering about that. Alright, moving right along, we have 3 off 1 for the Tide. This is working on the liquid and the pods that are priced at $17.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $14.95. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Gain products. Now, this coupon is advertised to be working with the products that are priced at $3.95. But as of right now, it's not attaching for me. I did scan some items that I had, at the house here, but it's not working on the ones that are priced at $3.95. And last but not least, we have a 2 off 1 for the Dollar Shave Club products. Now, you can pick up the starter kit or the refills. They're priced at $10, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $8. Alright guys, so that is it for the new Dollar General digital coupons for today. We may receive some more later on in the week. Like I said, be on the lookout because I will be doing a good deals and glitch list video. And before we go, I do want to say thank you all so much for all of your love and support that you've shown me and been with me on this crazy YouTube journey. We did hit 11,000 subscribers last week on the 21st, so I just want to thank each and every one of you guys. You don't even know. When I first started this channel, I had no idea what I was doing to begin with, and I didn't even think I would hit 100 subscribers, let alone we're now looking at 11,000 people who have subscribed to my channel and, enjoy watching my videos. So that just really just blows me away. And I really hope you guys know how much I appreciate you guys for watching the videos, for giving the videos a thumbs up, for leaving those awesome, amazing, thoughtful comments. Those comments, man, even if I don't get back to you right away, I read them every single day, and they really do keep me going. And even if I'm having a rough day or a rough week, you guys always leave me awesome comments that just keep me going, put a smile on my face, and I'm like, yes, we got to keep doing this, we got to keep on going. So thank you all so much. I've met so many amazing people through this channel, and I just hope that you guys know how much you mean to me. Now, I also want to say welcome to any new crazy couponers that we have here on the channel. If you are new and you're one of those people who helped me get to 11,000 subscribers, please leave me a comment down below. I do want to welcome you into our crazy couponing family. We have a great group of people here, great community, lots of people that are willing to jump in and help me answer questions, a lot of people with a lot of knowledge and have been couponing for years and years and years. So I do want to welcome you here and just let you know how much I appreciate you, and thank you so much to each and every one of you for all of your love and support that you've shown me. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. Like I said, I will have a good deals and glitch list video up ASAP. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.